Hey, Devi. My name is Mohammad Sharik from I'm data scientist and now we will discuss about the NLP, natural language processing. These are the content by which we are explaining about the NLP. Introduction to the NLP. Firstly, NLP was launched in 1966 in MIT. The first chatbot they produced using the NLP. And NLP was natural language processing is the component of artificial intelligence, and NLP is computer program to build for understand the human language and respond their text and voice data. Yeah, NLP is the collection of computer science, artificial intelligence, and computational linguistics. Yes, these are the natural language terminologies. The technique is used to clean the text data for machine to be able to analyze it. And here are the subcomponent of NLP: tokenization, step words, lemmatization, stemming, part of speech tagging, normalizing, corpus, and many more things. Tokenization. Tokenization is the task in the natural language processing. Tokenization is break the raw text into word sentence called token. Yeah, as you can see, this, this is the example. This is the sample. This is another part, and is another part. A is another part. Sample is another part. This is called the tokenizer. This is the breaking the sentence in different part. Stop word, these are the stop words. As you can see, stop word is the so unique when common words are removed from text. So unique word that offer the most information about the text remain. For instance, the and a. As you can see, this is the example: the quick brown for jump over the lazy dog. And here is, in this sentence, where is the is remove. This is the normalization. Normalization is used to put all words to equal. As you can see, this is the giving the exact sentence exact sentence of that words. And here is the limmatization. As you can see, this is the finding the great meaning for the great expression. And stemming is the process of reducing a word to in words stem. That affix and suffix and prefix are the root of the word. As you can see, run is into run. Corpus is the collection of text. For text, corpus may be also consist of the themed text. Yeah, as you can see, corpus is the collection of the sentence. Part of speech tagging. Part of speech tagging is the popular natural language processing. Yeah, this is the also showing the sentence of the word. Bag of words. As you can see, this is the called the bag of words. Bag of words also showing the numbers, how many times the particular word is coming in the corpus. Yeah, as you can see, will is coming in 3 times, said is coming in 2 times, John is coming to 1 time, there is coming 4 times, Jim is coming 1 time. And n-gram, this is the very different things in a NLP. If we are using n is equal to 1, then this breaking the word in a one part. This is another, a another sentence, another. This is called unigram. If we are using bigram, this is the breaking in a two words. This is another, is a another, a sentence is another part, another box. And trigram is collecting only 3 words. As you can see, this is a sentence. Regular expression. Yeah, regular expression is used in a NLP for removing or cleaning the word or the sentence which is coming in the corpus. And semantic data analysis is about identify the meaning and tone in a structured text. Yes, and semantic analysis is find the sentiment of the text and the feeling that this word is angry or happening or crying. Is the find the sentiment. And thank you.